Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a memory foam armrest that's used for the keyboard and also for your mouse area. But first thing first, let's actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when we take it out, this is basically what the product looks like right here. So obviously this part right here is the memory foam armrest for the mouse area. When you guys feel the material on here, you guys can definitely feel the memory foam on here. So when you guys put your arm right here, you can definitely get that support that you need. Especially if you guys are on the computer all day, you definitely get that very nice support that you need. And then whereas this part right here, this is for the keyboard area. So you definitely get that support throughout the product itself right here with that memory foam material as well. But what's really cool about the actual fabric that they use on here, the lining right here, is actually waterproof material. So if you guys end up like spilling liquid on here, you guys don't have to worry about it getting wet or whatever. And if you're like me who is on the computer all day doing videos, editing, and etc., you guys would definitely feel that pain like around your arm or something. So definitely getting like an armrest for the keyboard area and your mouse area would definitely be super beneficial, especially to help you guys avoid any carpal tunnel syndrome and etc. And basically along the bottom part right here, you guys can definitely see and feel that anti-skid material that they have right here. So once you guys put it on a flat table or whatever, it won't keep moving around, it just stays in that position. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Let me actually put this down and show you guys the demo of what it actually would look like if you were to use this at home, in the office, or whatever. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so I have my setup right here, if you can see. So we got the armrest right here, and we got the armrest right here for the mouse. So once I put my arm right here, I can definitely feel that comfort on here because of the memory foam material. It definitely feels really nice. So if I do end up editing like all night or something or all day, I don't have to worry about my wrist feeling any pain because I definitely have that comfort and support here. Same thing right here when I'm using the keyboard right here. Definitely feels really nice and definitely has that support here as well for the whole entire part right here. Even if I push all the way down, I still have that comfort right here. You can see when I push it down, it comes back up really fast because of that memory foam material right here. So this is basically my setup from now on when I actually use the keyboard and the mouse right here, so that way I can get that full support. And like I mentioned, for the bottom part, it has the anti-skid material, so if I try and move it back and forth, it barely moves anywhere because it has the anti-skid material. Same thing for this one as well. So that's basically what the product looks like and how well it works right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So now I guess a quick test of the product itself, as you can see, it actually does work and works quite well. Definitely super beneficial, especially like I mentioned, if you guys are on a computer a lot, like a long period of time. Definitely getting any type of like armrest like similar to like these right here that has like the memory foam material to give you guys that comfort and support that is needed for a long period of time of using your computers is definitely super worth it and definitely super beneficial as well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.